Hey everyone, Edward here at the Mac Observer, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you cannot install macOS Sonoma 14 or 14.5. So the first solution you should take in consideration is to use safe mode. Now, in order to do this, make sure to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and then select the shutdown option. Now, once the system is completely shut off, press and hold the power button. Afterwards, release the button when you see the loading startup options screen. From here on, select a volume and then press and hold the Shift key. You'll get the option to continue in safe mode. Now your Mac will restart, enter your login credentials to enter into your MacBook, and then you can check if you can install the macOS Sonoma. Moving on, another piece of information you should take in consideration is to check the system requirements. Here's an extensive list of all the MacBooks that support macOS Sonoma. So in case your Mac model is not in this list, unfortunately the macOS Sonoma will not work on your computer. Next in line, another useful solution is to free up storage space. Now, in order to do this, make sure to type in the search box storage and then open it up from the search results. Here you have three options you can play with before deleting anything else. Store in iCloud if you want to store stuff on the cloud. You can optimize storage, which will save space by automatically removing movies and TV shows that you've already watched on this Mac. And you can also empty the trash automatically. This will remove stuff that has been in the trash for more than 30 days. So if you have any apps that take a lot of space and you don't use them, just make sure to check them out by clicking on the eye icon next to the name, then select the file that you want and then click on the delete button. This will delete the application and you can do the following with all the unnecessary apps you have on your computer. And lastly, another useful solution is to download macOS Sonoma directly from the App Store. To do so, open up your App Store by clicking on the icon in the bar, then in the search bar simply type macOS Sonoma and then press on enter. As you can see, the search result is showing up, so click on the view button and then proceed with the installation of this macOS Sonoma release. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.